Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. And please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video that are trendy in 2025. In today's video I'm going to be showing you beautiful natural hairstyle that you can rock. This hairstyle is so beautiful, they're so amazing. You can rock this hairstyle on your natural hair and even your relaxed hair. This hairstyle is so unique. I would love you to watch video to the end. You will definitely find a beautiful natural hairstyle that you can rock. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.